So let me ask you something. Do you think Alipay is just a mobile payment app? What if I tell you that in China, Alipay is not only how people pay things, but also it's how people take taxis, ride the metro, order food, find public toilets, book trains, exchange money, buy insurance, and manage daily life. If you only think of Alipay as a QR code wallet, you are maybe using only 10% of what it actually offers. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know as a tourist or short-term visitors to maximize Alipay, how to set it up properly, how payments actually work behind the scenes, how to use Alipay's other functions, and the most important do's and don'ts and common problems people face. Alright explorers, time to project in. One of the key features of Alipay is that it acts as a mobile payment wallet that allows you to pay for almost everything in China. Think of it like PayPal, but designed for real life and daily use, not just for online shopping. In China, Alipay is essential from street food stores to luxury malls, taxis to trains, hotels to hospitals. Alipay is everywhere. Cash is still accepted in theory, but in reality, most locals don't carry wallets anymore. If you plan to visit or stay in China, having Alipay ready before you arrive will make your life significantly easier. Before you start, make sure you have the following things ready: a smartphone, a phone number, your passport, your bank cards, and a stable internet connection. Here is the full setup process. First, download the Alipay app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure it is Alipay, not Alipay Hong Kong. Once installed, open the app and switch the language to English. Next, sign up using your mobile phone number. International phone numbers are accepted. After that, complete the real name verification. You will be asked to upload your passport and complete a facial scan. Make sure you do this step carefully because many features won't work without it. Finally, link your bank cards. Visa or MasterCards are supported, and payments will be made directly in renminbi. Once this is done, your Alipay is ready to use in China. Let's talk about how Alipay works in real life. Every shop or restaurant, you will see a blue Alipay QR code. There are two ways to pay. The first way, you scan the merchant's QR code, you enter the amount, confirm, and pay. The second way is the merchant scans your payment code. You simply open Alipay app, tap Pay, and show your code. Behind the scenes, the payment flow works like this. Your bank card connects to Alipay, and Alipay sends the money to the merchant. If someone transfers money to you through Alipay, the balance would stay inside your Alipay wallet and can be used directly for future payments. Now, if you think Alipay is only for paying, keep watching. Alipay can actually replace your metro card and bus ticket. Here's how to use it. Open Alipay and tap on Transport. Select your city, accept the terms and conditions. Your digital transport card will be activated. Metro stations or buses, simply open the transport QR code and scan at the gate, just like a local. This way, you don't need to queue up to buy a ticket at a ticket booth, and you don't need to look for coins when boarding a bus. This is a part that most of the travelers don't know about. Inside Alipay, there are mini apps within this super app. No downloads required. There are hundreds of them covering daily life needs. Let me walk you through some of the most useful ones for tourists. Didi, taxi hailing. Open Alipay, search for Didi, enter your pickup location and destination. Choose your card type and confirm the ride. Payment will be automatically done through Alipay, no cash, no language stress. Search for Meituan inside Alipay. Here you can order food deliveries, find restaurants, book attractions, and sometimes even buy discounted tickets. Select what you want in this app, confirm your address, pay, and it's done. Let's talk safety and smart usage. Do complete real name verification early. Do double check the amount before paying. Do enable Face ID or fingerprints logging. Do keep the app updated. Don't scan random QR codes from strangers. Don't share your payment passwords or your QR code. Don't rely only on Alipay in very remote towns. Keep some cash and don't forget foreign exchange fees on international cards. Commonly asked questions related to Alipay. Can I use a non-Chinese phone number? Yes, most international numbers work. Before your flight, Make sure your SIM card can receive SMS overseas, because verification codes may be required when you make purchases. If SMS fails, switch your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data and avoid using a VPN while using Alipay. What if my bank cards fails to link? Wise and Revolut work very well with Alipay, so it is recommended if your bank cards doesn't work, try to use one of these cards. Also, sometimes you have to check with your bank to ensure overseas and Chinese payments are enabled. Test a small amount before traveling. You can test your Alipay wallet before leaving your country using this website. Alipay or WeChat Pay, which one should I use? These two payment wallets are equally important. Think of them like Visa and MasterCard. Install and set up both before you arrive China. If one fails at the merchant, try the other one. Having both of them dramatically reduces payment stress. Why does my payment fail? There are several common reasons, and here are some of them and the solutions. First, merchant limitations. Small street stores and taxi drivers may use their personal QR code, and in this case, it's considered as a peer-to-peer transfer, which foreign cards cannot do. The solution is, if you have any Alipay wallet balance, use the balance where possible. If not, use cash instead. Second, unsupported cards. Some bank cards block China transactions. Prepaid cards may fail, or SMS verification may not go through. In this case, double-check with your home bank and link with a card that actually works in China, like Wise or Revolut. Test your wallet before you travel. Third, incomplete ID verification. If verification is still not complete, features may be restricted. It is suggested to complete your ID verification and facial scan in your home country before you travel. Fourth, transaction limits. Foreign card Alipay payments are limited by per transaction, per month, and per year. If your transaction is relatively large, make sure you split the payment or use other payment method instead. Fifth, QR code or network issues. Sometimes the code doesn't scan or the network is unstable. The solution is switch between the two payment methods, scan the QR code of the merchants, or let them to scan your code. Make sure you turn off your VPN and sometimes switch your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data will help. And always keep some small changes in RMB in cash, just in case. Is there a transaction fee? Yes, Alipay charges around 3% on single transaction that is over 200 RMB. Below that, the transaction fee is waived. If your transaction is over 200 RMB, make sure you split the payment. For example, a 300 transaction can be split into two 150. Can I send money through Alipay to my friends? You can receive transfers once your verification is complete. Withdrawal to foreign cards from your Alipay wallet is not supported, unfortunately. If you need someone to pay you back, ask them to transfer the amount to your Alipay wallet, but make sure you use up the balance before you leave China. What exchange rate do I get? Your bank decides the rate, not Alipay. So check your bank's foreign exchange policy in advance. If you want better rates, use Wise or Revolut. How do refunds work? Refunds normally go back through the original payment method. So card payment will be actually reverted back to your card, and wallet payment will actually get the balance back to your wallet. Refund normally takes 5 to 10 business days to complete. If possible, ask for a cash refund rather than Alipay refund. Can I use Alipay outside China? Alipay works mainly in mainland China, so make sure you use up your balance before leaving China. And don't rely on Alipay as your main payment method overseas. Alipay isn't just a payment app, it is how daily life runs in China. Once you set it up properly, travel becomes smoother, faster, and stress-free. From street snacks to 5-star hotels, metro rides to bullet trains. Before your next trip, download Alipay, verify your ID, link your card, and explore the mini app world. And make sure you practice your scanning skills, because in China, if you can't scan, you cannot pay. That's all for today. I hope it's helpful, and project out. I will see you in the next one.